G'day, here's a large knobby from Lightning Ridge, Australia, New South Wales, rules in millimetres. It's been wetted, it's been sawn in half. I was even thinking to make nice stones, just slicing it and have matching pairs like you've got there. Or you could try grinding down, but looking at that pattern there already, it looks like it might be too curved perhaps. But over here it might flatten out. And I'll go around each piece separately. See the colour coming around here. This is a smaller part. Might be a nice stone over here actually. Anyway, it's a bit of a difference being sawn like that rather than just looking from the outside. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.